Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Rufus to download and create a bootable USB for Windows 10. It will also work for Windows 11. I'm also going to give you a link to my secret key video. So if you have trouble activating your operating system and you know your operating system should be activated, try my video out. I think you'll find that most people have no trouble with it. It's really simple to do. And it's less than 5 minutes as well. So anyways, so the other thing is I'm going to show you how to use Rufus to download the Windows 10, but I'm also going to provide you this link down in the description that is an all-in-one Windows 10. So this not only has just Windows 10 22H2, this has 22H2, but every Windows 10 you can think of pretty much. And all you got to do is copy the link, click ISO image over here, it will download, and that ISO can be used with this Rufus instead of how I'm showing you. But anyways, let's go to Rufus. So you're just going to copy the link from the description as well, rufus.ie, and we're going to scroll down until you see Rufus 4.9.exe. And you'll see this over here, upper right corner, click Rufus. And then once that's clicked, you'll get a user account control. Go ahead and hit yes. Once it's in, you just make sure your USB is plugged in. You'll see underneath the device whether it is or not. And then you plug it in. Just make sure it's the correct one. You don't want to erase a USB that you need. But anyways, underneath boot selection, go ahead and select the boot or ISO. Um, Now you'll see over here where it's select the arrow right to the right. Go ahead and select download, and then you're going to click on download now. And you'll see this version pop up. As you can see, Windows 11 is selected. Select the arrow, select Windows 10, um, and then hit continue. And then the release, I think that's the only one going to be in there. Yep. And hit continue. And then Windows 10 is going to be the only one in there as well. So hit continue. Now we're going to be asked to select a language. You can select your language, obviously. And I'm going to go scroll up a little bit and select English United States. And then I'm going to hit continue. Now, if you're not sure of your architecture, just go ahead in a search, start typing system information, and then you should see this. Click on it, and then right down here under system type, you're going to see the type you have. I have the 64, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select 64, and I'm going to hit download. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just select this area here, documents, and I'm going to hit save. And the download will take a little bit. So once this is done downloading, you can change the volume label and name it to what you want. So I'm going to name it Windows 10. And NTF is the operating system. That's all you need. And then you can do the advanced. I usually just keep them as the default. And then you're just going to hit start. And right here, you have an option. You can check this to create a local account with a username. Or you can uncheck it. That's up to you. I'm going to keep these three. I want to disable BitLocker. I want to keep the disable data collection, and I want to set the region options. Okay. So I'm going to click OK to see if it'll go through. And it's officially done. And you can see down here, it took about 6 minutes. So you can go ahead and just hit close because your USB is ready. Go ahead and throw it in your computer, restart your computer and boot from it. If you want to check and see if everything's loaded, go ahead and click on the File Explorer and come right over here to the left-hand side, and you should be able to see your Windows 10 and all of the stuff that's on it. Or click on this PC, and you'll see your Windows 10 drive here. Double click it, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and comment below. And that's pretty much it, my friends. All right, please comment below and consider hitting that like and subscribe. All right, thank you.